friend, the man called police for my friends here. And we are begging for gear back and next for say, Instagram door and put me now. If you ever block my fire.
Chrissy, you see the two burner? Hot? Girl, so much show you the bed I know. Yeah, yes, I'm with you.
No, look here now. Yes, so basically, who want to recap is a boy with him being mother, and as him saying, put up in his story, him only meet her for 3 weeks. She need to calm down, but in that 3 weeks, baby mother face get kick off. Baby mother
can't come and down
with me. You have to take she too. Baby mother go and do the things them. Yeah. And things started, and people open at them feelings now, and have the tight show. Bust the lyrics, give them again, make them hear what you're talking. Bad.
That's a blood class story, no, gal.
Go on again.
Me have a pretty little pussy for your over. Cock up my foot, calm my pussy in the order. But when you're busting on my belly and busting on my throat, nice pretty pussy with a nice deep throat. Goody.
Nice little pussy with
then the boy called the police for me because I refuse to work things out. And then I try and flip the script for me. You might like draw. You see the message in my draw down?
Nikki love vibes. Nobody over here, so don't get me upset. Yeah. I don't love blood clot mix up too much.
What you say?
But I thought it was about Prince. Hey girl, don't hear so.
Move your blood, Prince. Someone wanna eat, so sit down and say, I wish for things go out, Chrissy. Come like she look at
me blood clot.
Prince and Prince. Prince only for queens and princesses, my girl, not duchess. Move up. Blood clots.
Every blood clot when run a come call. No, nobody name for call. Nobody else name for call. What happened?
Them upset because them can't come to the blood clot.
Anyway, but they pass strong, real strong.
Good, eh? The boy think about to flat me, but I have all the proof. Talk about love. Boy, I have voice note.
Yeah, Marva. Oops. And the baby mother, yeah, call the boy. Tell the baby mother, say, if you want me, you have to do with she. So basically, oops. The boy tell her, so the baby mother say, yeah. So baby mother, they don't want to shine off boy cocky. So my friend says, so what happened to yes, so polish and shine. I'm going to take it on. Wicked. And see the first time she had it. Boy, make sure that whole heap of time.
I'm sorry, I talk about she for wear lingerie in ear, clown.
Yeah.
Come and say everything. Really?
I've been done tell the live that long time. They feel come see them and laugh. So I tell them say you're not joking.
Girl,
Tia say like next week no good back. No, Tia. The man afraid. I'm a friend. The man called police for my friends here, and we are begging for gear back and next for say, Instagram door and put me now. If you ever block my fire.
Chrissy, you see the two burner? Hot? Girl, so much show you the bed I know. Yeah, yes, I'm with you.
No, look here now. Yes, so basically, who want to recap is a boy with him being mother, and as him saying, put up in his story, him only meet her for 3 weeks. She need to calm down, but in that 3 weeks, baby mother face get kick off. Baby mother
can't come and down
with me. You have to take she too. Baby mother go and do the things them. Yeah. And things started, and people open at them feelings now, and have the tight show. Bust the lyrics, give them again, make them hear what you're talking. Bad.
That's a blood class story, no, gal.
Go on again.
Me have a pretty little pussy for your over. Cock up my foot, calm my pussy in the order. But when you're busting on my belly and busting on my throat, nice pretty pussy with a nice deep throat. Goody.
Nice little pussy with
then the boy called the police for me because I refuse to work things out. And then I try and flip the script for me. You might like draw. You see the message in my draw down?
Nikki love vibes. Nobody attacks over here, so don't get me upset. Yeah. I don't love blood clot mix up too much.
What you say?
But I thought it was about Prince. Hey, girl, don't hear so.
Move your blood, Prince. Someone wanna eat, so sit down, say, I wish for things go out, Chrissy. Come like she look
Let
at
me blood clot.
Prince and Prince over you. Prince only for queens and princesses, my girl, not duchess. Move up. Blood clots.
Every blood clot in a run a come call. No, nobody name for call. Nobody else name for call. What happened?
Them upset because them can't come to the blood clot.
Anyway, but they pass strong, real strong.
Good, eh? The boy thinking about to flap me, but I have all the proof. Talk about love, love, love. Boy, I have voice note.
Yeah, Marva. Oops. And the baby mother, yeah, call boy. Tell the baby mother, say, if you want me, put it with you. So basically, oops. The boy tell her, so the baby mother say, yeah. So baby mother, they don't want to shine off boy cocky. So my friend says, so what happened to yes, so polish and shine. I'm going to take it on. Wiki, and say the first time she had do it. Boy, make sure that whole heap of time.
I'm sorry, I talk about she for wear lingerie in the ear, clown.
Yeah. Goody call all my friend. Goody want link up with my friend. Boy, I get vexed. Cause here that can't go on.
Come tell me, I'm going to take her and bring her to my man.
Boy, I get mad. Thumping a eye. My friend get a thumping a eye. Solid. Baby mother step in and say something. He cross her face. My friend go say something again and thumping her mouth. And then the boy call police. After me thinking my MacGyver.
My wife, my swiper. You see the boy no sense. He want for flat me. Good me. Well, I advise no when my table and baby mother pussy. And them somebody. You know what flat me?
My name is Farkis. Make them sit down on Prince Hood. It big enough. Make them sit down on it blood clots.
At least Prince Cocky big. Me get a little chihuahua over here. So
yeah, Prince Cocky bigger than him. Wanna go sit down on it. No move.
Prince, what is it? You never laugh to yourself and ask for money.
Yo, me skip over it fast. Your fork. I look like the top. I look like an umbrella. No blood clot.
If me and Chrissy one more time.
Strong. It's just me.
When I'm going to can't sleep tonight. I'll party if I go tonight.
Yeah, him beat the side girl. Him beat the baby mother. Beat her.
No, correct it. Him say I'm wife one, she's wife two. Correct it.
Oh, wife one and wife two. My friend a wife one and shower.
Initially, she was the wife and I took over apparently in 3 weeks.
3 weeks.
Me follow voice notes. When I'm tell her boy and she mad.
No, true, nah, laugh for true. Do them going to sing from Prince Hood. It big enough. As look as they see Prince, then Kaki bigger than him. Making take it.
You say, tell oh me reach 1,700 likes. I mean, I follow. I don't accept none of them.
Yeah.
Me not accept them. What am I doing? I'm not on
Girl, with me a page, people them say good body, build a thing, you're artist, you're versatile, you look good in a blood clot, fly your page and open it up and make everybody message you. You can turn off your calling features because I turn mine off. People get too friendly. But to open up your page, because let me tell you something, I see them friend them for your page, I go send you out. Because here I go and I'm going to be honest to you. If somebody come to me, you know, and say, the oops girl, we that talk to where, more and see her, I go screenshot your blood clot picture, I go send it to her. I see them friend them for your page, send out your things them. So when you see girl have certain things, boy, and ready to say, don't wonder where it come from. You see them pussy hole where you're lacking in there, sir. So
know that.
Just open the page, just fly it, and make everybody come meet and blood clot greet. See her, yeah, she look good in a blood clot, and everybody just gonna look and like, and them can't open them mouth.